Aloha! Welcome to KTA's Cookin' Recipes. I'm Chef Ryan, and today we're going to make pumpkin coconut crunch cake. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Lightly spray the bottom of a 9 by 13 inch baking dish with non-stick cooking spray. In a large bowl, combine the pumpkin, coconut evaporated milk, eggs, sugar, and pumpkin pie spice. Mix well. Then pour the mixture into the prepared baking dish. Sprinkle the cake mix and coconut Jell-O evenly over the top, and gently pat down with a spoon. Place pecans and pretzels in a large Ziploc bag and crush with a rolling pin to desired size. Add the coconut flakes to the bag and mix well. Evenly sprinkle this mixture over the cake layer. Then drizzle the melted butter evenly on top. Bake for 55 to 65 minutes or until golden brown and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Serve warm with vanilla or coconut ice cream for a festive holiday dessert. For this recipe and more, visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.